Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
I'm the Secretary, Production and Marketing, and I represent persons with disabilities in Lira City Council. This morning we are privileged to receive a team from MTN Momo who have come to do branding of our main market. Main market is one of the major markets that we have in the city, and we really need to uplift the standard of this market by doing facelifting and branding it as MTN Momo. We want to appreciate the team from MTN for accepting to do this, and we are really privileged because this is going to give us revenue, whereby this is a contract that has been awarded to Olympus Media, and in conjunction with MTN Momo, we are going to have the whole market branded yellow. And we really need as council to pronounce ourselves that unnecessary posters shouldn't come to congest the walls of the market, because it's rather very expensive to maintain these walls after all these posters. So we are really happy that today onwards we are going to see a clean market that signifies the beauty of Lira City. Lira City, we want a city that is very smart, clean, and really attractive. And this is, we've begun the journey now to ensure that we attract as more customers as we can, and our vendors really to have better trading within this market. We appreciate everyone who turned up, especially the vendors who are doing the cleaning, and I know this is going to be a routine activity that the vendors should pick up from today, and ensure that every time they see the market not clean, this is their home, this is their livelihood, this is for their survival. They should always ensure that they clean the market and maintain it as clean.
I work with Olympus Media Limited. Olympus, as a company, works with city authorities to do private public partnerships and in the area of branding. And one of the activities that we're doing today is, of course, Olympus secured MTN to come and brand the Lira main market. And why Lira? Lira, of course, is one of the growing cities. It's a city amongst the new cities, but also it has a big population, and of course that works good for most of the companies. But also the people of Lira are good people, that we all know. And MTN works with markets. I want to let it pass. MTN is well, I'm not part of MTN. I'm not staff of MTN, but of course through our partnership, we know that they are into pushing social corporate responsibility, especially amongst women. And of course, we all know that most women are employed in markets like this. And so branding and working with them to want to clean their market, but also branding and giving them good working spaces is one of the CSR arms. And of course, they're not going to just do that, they will do more CSR activities that an MTN person can tell you. But of course, as a company, we are proud to have worked with Lira City. First, they are very transparent as an authority, and of course, they didn't give us a hard time as we were securing the partnership. So that is why you see us here. And but this, we have not just been here. We have been in Hoima, we have been in Aroa, in these other places, working with women in markets and also branding markets, making sure that women get safe spaces to work, and creating a good relationship with their private partners around the country.
How long shall this contract take?
Sorry?
What's the contract period? Who's it partners?
I think the contract period, MTN will tell you the contract period. But I think they're here, if I'm not wrong, they're here for maybe 5 years. And of course, it's a renewable contract. So the council is happy to work with MTN, to work with us, in making sure that the market stays a good working place. for women and men who are working here.
In totality, on behalf of the people of Lango, who have showed us a lot of love over the last 27 years. The man for better Rajoka, Chuka Duke Ken Barabero Dan, Kuber Medero, Kuber Memara, Kina, Lira City Council, Karachel Kede, Jo Dushu Ametiu, Chuka Duoka, Namutu, Aginemara, Karachel Kede, Puchi, Ikara, Mokara Netine. So we believe together with MTN Momo, we are giving each of us the power to do more. And through the leadership structure that we have seen that has embraced us from Lira City, right from when we started the engagement through our partners Olympus, we are very delighted to be able to start this day here today. Okay, I don't want to quote His Excellency, but my translator wants me to move a bit slowly. It's okay. Yeah. So in short, we want to keep our program a bit short. Mine is just an appreciation. So we continue to look forward to more engagements and the plans that we are having with the council, led by His Worship the Mayor, together with the strong leadership of the RCC, to make sure that what we are starting today can be a journey that will take us for more than even 10 years as MTN continues to grow. City project program MTN as the people continue to trust us, MTN remains committed to stand with you, to create a marketplace that reflects the pride and strength of Lira City. On behalf of MTN Uganda and MTN Momo, I would like to reiterate our commitment to supporting Lira City's growth. By supporting its people and ensuring they enjoy the benefits of a modern connected life. And
here we are today launching the event. I would like to request the leaders of the market and the market vendors that the branding of this market is going to bring a new facelift to the market. It's going to make our market look beautiful. But it creates a task for us to ensure that the inside of the market and the drainages outside the market and the hygiene within the market is maintained well to match with the standards. In ensuring that the market is clean and the hygiene is maintained. Finally, allow me to once more thank MTN and MTN Momo for accepting to come and brand this market. I think it's still morning. Good morning. I want to welcome you to Lira City in a special way.
Council in your respective capacities.
Is greeting us. We have the vendors here. Seems like we are tired from sleeping.
Cleaning the market. This facility rebranded. This market was built about 14 years ago. And since then, even the paints are washing away. It's not looking as beautiful and as smart as it used to be. I am totally grateful to your worship and your team and the executive, the technical wing headed by the town clerk,
Kaachiel kod bembe mamit on plakene logi.
to see to it within your term,
Neno iboru
within your term of office,
neno idok tishu
that Lira main market is rebranded.
ni chuka duong melira jorosho.
And that is leadership we talk about.
Mondo bedo tela me wano kobode.
14 years down the road,
Wakapara mwendo ngokaro.
today you are thinking about it.
Tini tamuno.
Somebody did not think about it yesterday.
Po tamuka wuro.
I'm grateful that you managed to have other teams or other partners on board.
Ya yo minu da joki na moribe ka chekere wa
Finally, we have MTN.
kikimedo motika chekere MTN.
And I want us to clap in appreciation to MTN
Amito babchemwa pot MTN.
because they have performed exceptionally well in social corporate within this region.
Piena kwa here kare chekere miyo nyodwako puoch boto tendero gino tima ber twal.
And this is, I think, the biggest yet in this region of Lango. This will be the biggest.
Man
This will
kon
be the
pie
biggest.
aditala alawa elao kitanero kede.
And this alone will change the face of this city.
Manaken binuloko kitamoya me boma ni nen kede.
Recently, I was commissioning some projects done by MTN.
Cheki no dia ya poporje kora me MTN momo timo.
They renovated some schools around.
Be in control of your growth every day because you have Momo, and with it, you have the power to be more. Dial *165#.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.